Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss multiple choice questions or choose the correct answer or fill in the blanks from the chapter real numbers. If you listen to this video properly and try to understand each and every question perfectly, then it is going to be very helpful to finish the part B without even a single mistake. Okay, the first question is the decimal form of 129 by 2 square into 5 power 7 into 7 power 5 is option A is given as terminating, option B non-terminating, option C non-terminating not repeating, option D is given as none of the above. So how we will decide whether a given P by Q form is having terminating or non-terminating repeating? If the denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m, if the denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m, then it is terminating decimal. Otherwise, non-terminating repeating. So in this case, if I make it more simple, the denominator should contain only 2, otherwise only 5, or else 2 into 5. Power may be anything, whatever it may be the power, that much only. If the denominator contains only 2 power something, or only 5 power something, or only 2 power something into 5 power something, then only it is having a terminating decimal. Otherwise, non-terminating repeating. Here 2 power something is there, 5 power something is there, but besides that some other extra is there. So that's why this is non-terminating repeating type of decimal. So this is non-terminating repeating. This is non-terminating repeating type of decimal. Then let us check all the 4 options whether option is there or not. Option A is terminating, no. Option B is non-terminating. In the option B he mentioned only it as non-terminating, so we should not confirm this as the correct option. So this is wrong option, this is also wrong option. Next, option C, non-terminating non-repeating, no, it is repeating. So option is not there at all, so then the correct option will be none of the above, because that is non-terminating repeating type of decimal. Okay, let's check next question then. HCF of 8, 9 and 25. If we observe the given 3 numbers clearly, in 8 table 9 won't come, in 8 table 25 won't come, in 9 table 25 won't come, in 9 table 8 won't come, in 25 table 8 won't come, in 25 table 9 won't come. So one number is not at all there in remaining 2 numbers multiplication table. So it means those 3 numbers doesn't have any connection with others. So the HCF will be 1. HCF is 1. So the correct option is option D. Okay, next question is product of a rational number and irrational number, and question 4 is product of irrational and irrational. This is one of the very important questions. This question is asked even in the 1 mark, that is section 1 of part A, as well as sometimes in part B also. So first one, product of a rational number and one irrational number. For example, I have one rational number 2 and one more irrational number √3. Now I am going to do product or multiplication of these two. One is rational and one is irrational. So we cannot simplify this further. So simply it is to √3 only. So it means one number is rational and one number is irrational. If we are doing multiplication of it, the answer is always an irrational number only. Next, product of irrational number and irrational number. So simply what we will do, sometimes we will take an irrational number root 2 and we are multiplying with some other irrational number root 3. Okay, so here root 2 into root 3 is nothing but root 6. Here this root 6 is an irrational number. Now I will take some other. Root 2 is an irrational number into root 8 is also an irrational number. Root 2 into root 8, root 16. Then what is the value of root 16? It is nothing but 4. But here 4 is rational number. So just keep this in mind. Product of rational and irrational is always irrational, whereas product of two irrational numbers may be rational, may be irrational. Next, question number 5. Express 98 as product of primes. So whenever he is asking to express it as product of primes, simply we need to do prime factorization. Clearly mentioning about primes, so start from prime number only. 2 49s are 98, 7 7s are 49. So 98 is equals to 2 into 7 into 7. Otherwise 2 is only one time, so 2 power 1 into 7 is there 2 times, so 7 power 2. Any one option will be there in that. We need to go with that. Next one, a is equals to x times y cube and b is equals to x square y z square. Then he's asking to find the LCM of those two numbers. X y cube and x square y z square. So sometimes he will ask to find LCM and sometimes he will ask to find HCF also. So when we are going to find the LCM, first check the alphabets or numbers which are common. Here x is there, here x is there. Now which is having the biggest power, take that one. Here x power 1, here x power 2. So the biggest is x power 2. Now come for the next. Here y cube is there, here also y is there. Again check for the biggest power, y cube. This is y power 1. So biggest is y cube. Now whatever the extra numbers or alphabets are there, write all those. Here extra z square is there, so write that z square also. So the LCM of a and b is x square y cube z square. Then when it's come to HCF, xy cube x square y z square. When it comes to HCF, check the common alphabets and numbers. Here x is there, here x square is there. Now take the smallest power. Here x power 1, here x power 2. So x power 1 is the smallest. Here y cube, here y. Take the smallest power, that is y. Now here z square is there in the second one, but z term is not there in the first one. So that's why completely forget about z in the HCF. So then HCF is x into y. Question number 7. The decimal expansion of 14,587 divided by 250 will terminate after how many decimal places? He gave options like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let us check now. 14,587 divided by 250. So whenever he is asking this kind of questions after how many decimal places it's going to be terminate, just focus on the denominator. Here the denominator is 250. Do prime factorization of it. 5 50s are, 5 10s are, 5 2s. So numerator as it is 587 divided by, now 250 can be written as 5 is there 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So 5 power 3 into 2 is there only 1 time, so 2 power 1. Now the denominator 250 can be written as 5 cube into 2 power 1. Now observe the denominator. In the denominator, either for 5 or for, either for 2 or for 5, which is the maximum power, it will terminate after those many decimals. Here 2 power 1 is there, here 5 power 3 is there, so the maximum power is 3, so it terminates after 3 decimal places. Check this ones. 14,587 divided by 250. It is 58.348. After the decimal 348, 3 digits. So here 5 having the maximum power 3. So definitely it will terminate after 3 decimal places only. Okay, next question. If HCF of 16 comma y is equals to 8 and LCM of 16 comma y equals to 48, then what is the y value? So we know already one relationship between HCF and LCM, that is LCM into HCF is equals to product of the two numbers. Those two numbers I am taking as some A and B. LCM into HCF is equals to product of the two numbers. HCF is given as 8. LCM is given as 48, which is equals to two numbers. One number is given as 16 into second number. We don't know that, he mentioned it as a y. Now we want y value, so I will take this 16 to the left side. 48 times 8 divided by 16 is equals to y. If we do the cancellation, 16 ones are 16 threes are. So value of y is equals to 3 into 8, 24. So the second number is 24. Next question number 9. Pi minus 22 by 7. Whether it is rational or irrational or 0 or none of the above. Here also most of the students will do mistake. Pi is approximately equals to 22 by 7. Remember this. Pi value is not exactly 22 by 7. It is just an approximate value because pi is an irrational number. Here 22 by 7 is a rational number because it is in the form of p by q, where p and q both are integers. Pi is an irrational number and 22 by 7 is rational number. From an irrational number, it is not possible to remove a rational number. So that's why this value is always an irrational. So option B is the correct one. Next question number 10. Minus 1 whole power n plus minus 1 whole power 8n is equals to 0 when n is any positive integer or any odd number or any even number or any negative integer. Let us check once. The given terms are minus 1 whole power n plus minus 1 whole power 8n is equals to 0. Now first I am going to take this second term. If we observe the second term, the power is 8 into n. So 8 into, in the place of n, if I substitute 1, 8 ones are 8. If I substitute 2, 8 twos are 16. If I substitute 3, 8 threes are 24. Whatever the number, if I substitute in the place of n, always the answer is even only. 8 is an even number, 16 is an even number, 24 is an even number, next to 32 is also even number only, 8 tens are 80, that is also even number only. So here in the place of n, whatever the number if we substitute, always we are getting an even only. So it means minus 1 power even number. Minus 1 power even is always plus 1. So this value we are getting plus 1. Then what this value should be? Then we will get answer 0. If this is plus 1, this should be minus 1 definitely. If this is minus 1 plus 1, then only it will become to 0. So now minus 1 whole power n is there. So what should be this n value so that this gives our answer as minus 1. Minus 1 power even means plus 1. Minus 1 power odd means it is minus 1. So n should be compulsory odd number only. If n is odd number, then only we will get minus 1 as the answer. So here minus 1, here plus 1. It will become 0. So answer is any odd number. Next question. What is the HCF of 2 cube into 3 square and 2 square into 3 cube? 2 cube into 3 square and 2 square into 3 cube. First we need to check for the numbers common. Here 2 is there, here 2 is there. Now we need to check for the smallest power. Here 2 power 3, here 2 power 2. So smallest power is 2 power 2 into. Here 3 power something is there, here also 3 power something is there. Now check for the smallest power. 3 power 2 is the smallest. So the HCF is 2 square into 3 square. Sometimes he'll give direct number. 2 square is 4 into 3 square is 9. So that is nothing but 36. So the HCF of 2 cube into 3 square and 2 square into 3 cube is 36. Next question number 12 is find the LCM of 2.5 and 0.5. We know how to solve the LCM and HCF of the given numbers. But when it comes to decimals, most of the students avoid practicing these kind of questions. But these kind of questions are there in our 10th class maths book. Observe this question once. Can you find the HCF of 1.2 and 0.12? It is the question in Think and Discuss. Find the HCF of 1.2 and 0.12. So these kind of questions are there in our textbook. So that's why we need to practice these decimals also. So it's very simple. Nothing is there in that. The given points are 2.5 and 0.5. So 2.5 can be written as 25 by 10, comma 0.5 can be written as 5 by 10. Here we are finding the LCM. So for the numerators, find the LCM. For the denominators, find HCF. In case if they are asking HCF, find HCF for numerators, LCM for denominators. Which one they are asking? That one for numerators. He is asking LCM, so LCM for numerators. 25 and 5 LCM. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So 5 into 5, 25 is the LCM. Divided by HCF of 10 and 10. Obviously it is 10. So LCM of 2.5 and 0.5 is 25 by 10. 25 by 10 is nothing but 2.5. So the LCM of 2.5 and 0.5 is 2.5. Let's move to next question then. He gave 4 options and he is asking which one is Q dash, nothing but irrational number. Okay, let us observe one by one option. First option is 0.1416 bar. Bar is for all the 4 digits. It means all the 4 digits are repeating. 1416, 1416, 1416 and so on. Here these are not ending, I mean not terminating, but repeating. Because the same digits 1416, 1416, 1416 are repeating continuously. So non-terminating repeating. Non-terminating repeating numbers are always rational numbers. Next 0.14. Here after the decimal only 2 digits are there which are exactly terminating or ending. So that's why this is rational. Next option C, if we observe 0.140, 1400, 14000 and so on. After the decimal, these are not terminating as well as they are not repeating also, because here 140, here 1400, here 14000 keep on increasing one by one zero, so it is not terminating as well as not repeating. Neither terminating nor repeating. Neither terminating nor repeating type of decimals will be considered as irrational. So option C is correct one. Next option D, if you observe 0.140, 140, 140, 140 is repeating. So non-terminating repeating. Non-terminating repeating is always rational. Neither terminating nor repeating, only irrational. Next question is, which is not correct? Here log 10 base 10 is given. We know one formula, log a base a is equals to 1. Then log 10 base 10 value is 1, obviously correct. Next, log 1 with base 10 is equals to 0. We know formula, log 1 with any base is equals to 0. Log 1 value is always 0. So this is correct. Next, log of 2 plus 3. Log of 2 plus 3, that is nothing but 5. So log 5 is equals to log of 2 into 3. This RHS is in the form of log A into B. Log A into B is nothing but log AB. So log AB is equals to log A plus log B. Log 2 into 3 can be written as log 2 plus log 3. Log 2 plus log 3 is not at all equals to log 5. So this option C is not correct. Option C is the wrong one. Let's move to next question then. Question number 15 is log root 8 divided by log 8. So here log root 8 can be written as 8 power 1 by 2 divided by log 8 as it is. We know one formula, log a power m is equals to, this m will come to the front, m times log a. The same way here half will come to the front. So we get half into log 8 divided by log 8. Here log 8 both will get cancelled. So we remains with 1 by 2. Then the answer of log root 8 divided by log 8 is half. Next, check the 16th question. If log a by b plus log b by a is equals to log of a plus b, then which of the correct one? A plus b equals to 1, a minus b equals to 1, a equals to b, and a square minus b square equals to 1. Let us check it out once. Log a by b plus log b by a is in the form of log a plus log b. Log a plus log b is nothing but log ab. So the same way, log a by b into b by a. B cancel, a cancel, then it is equals to log 1, which is equals to log of a plus b. By comparing, a plus b is equals to 1. Then the correct option is option A. Next question. If log 2 is equals to 0.30103, then number of digits in 2 power 64. This question also there in our textbook, but most of the students will neglect this question. In the first chapter, optional exercise, we have this question number 5. Find the number of digits in 4 power 2013 if log 2 base 10 is equals to 0.3010. So there are some chances of giving this kind of questions in objective especially. Okay, let us check then how to solve it. Here he gave it 2 power 64. So simply keep log for that. Log 2 power 64. Now we can observe the formula we have. Log a power m. This m will go front. The same way here 64 also will go front. So then what we will get? 64 into log 2. So 64 into log 2 value is given as 0.30103. So simply multiply this 64 into 0.30103. We will get it as 19.26592. So after we got the value, before the decimal which number is there, it is called as characteristic. So add plus 1 for that characteristic. So 19 plus 1, 20. So the number of digits in the value of 2 power 64 is 20. Always we need to add 1 for the characteristic. Characteristic is nothing but the number which is before the decimal. The after the decimal, what is there? That is called as mantissa. Okay, next question. If a power x is equals to b power y, then which one will be the correct? Option A, option B, option C, all the three options are having log. So that's why for the given question I am applying log on both the sides. Log a power x is equals to log b power y. X will go front as well as y also will go front. So then we will get x times log a is equals to y times log b. Now I will take x to the left side, right side, and log b to the left side. Here log a as it is. This log b we are taking to the left side, so divided by log b is equals to y as it is, divided by x we are taking to the right side, so divided by x. Log a by log b is equals to y by x. Then the correct option is option C. Okay, next very simple question. What is the value of log 16 base 2? Log 16 base 2 is equals to log. For the given number, first do the prime factorization. For 16, if we do prime factorization, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 power 4 with the base same 2 again. So now here, this 4 will come to the front. So we will get it as 4 times log 2 base 2. So 4 into log 2 base 2 value is 1. So 4 ones are 4. So the value of log 16 base 2 is 4. Next question. Log p base 8 is equals to 25 and log q base 2 is equals to 5. Then which one is the correct option? So first, log p base 8 is equals to 25. This given one is in logarithmic form. We need to convert that logarithmic form to exponential form. Simply write this p is equals to, here it is base, so take it as the base only. So 8 power 25. Here 8 is base, so here also 8 is base. So p is equals to 8 power 25. Next, second one is given as log q base 2 is equals to 5. Here also same, write q as it is, q is equals to, here 2 is base, carry it as it is as base only, 2 power 5. Here 2 is base, here also 2 is base. So now let us try to keep some relation between this p and q. P is equals to 8 power 25. the same p is equals to, here 8, if I do prime factorization of 8, 2 4s are 2 2s are 1 2 3, 2 power 3, 2 power 3, already e power 25 is there. So p is equals to 2 cube, sorry 2 power 3 into 25, 75, which is equals to 2 power 75. I will write it as 5 whole power 15, because 5 into 15 also 75 only. Why I am writing it as 5 only? Because here we have 2 power 5. That's why I am writing it as 2 power 5 whole power 15. So now 2 power 5 is nothing but q. Here power 15 is there. So it means p is equals to q power 15. Then option B is correct one. Let's have a look at the next question. Question number 21. This is also one of the very important questions. Half of log x plus log y is equals to log of x plus y whole divided by 2. So in all the 4 options, we don't have any log at all. So it means our first intention is we need to try to remove the log. So how we will do that? Okay. We know one formula. Log xy is equals to log x plus log y. Right. So here we have log x plus log y. So log x plus log y is nothing but log xy. So half into log xy is equals to right side as it is log of x plus y by 2. Now we have one more formula. Log a power m is equals to m into log a. If we have something as the power, then it will come as to the front number. So if front number is there, means it will go as the power, right? So that's why here half is there, then it will go as the power, that is log xy power 1 by 2 is equals to log of x plus y by 2. Here xy power 1 by 2, power 1 by 2 is nothing but root. So now by comparison, here log and here log I will remove. So we will get root xy is equals to x plus y by 2. Power 1 by 2 is nothing but root. Now here I will try to remove this square root. So to remove that square root, I will do squaring on both the sides. So then what happens? Here square root and square both will get cancelled. So we remains with xy is equals to. Now this square is for numerator as well as for denominator. So x plus y whole square is nothing but x square plus y square plus 2xy divided by 2 square 4. I will take this 4 to the left side. So 4 into xy, 4xy is equals to x square plus y square plus 2xy. I will take this 4xy to the right side. 0 is equals to x square plus y square plus 2xy plus 4xy I am taking to the right side, then it will become minus 4xy. So 0 is equals to x square plus y square plus 2xy minus 4xy minus 2xy. 0 is equals to x square plus y square minus 2xy is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. So that is a minus b whole square formula. So x minus y whole square. Here right side we have square and left side is 0. So no problem, remove that square. So we will get x minus y is equals to 0. Now take minus y to the right side. So we will get x is equals to y. X is equals to y. So option C is correct one. Next, question number 22. If a is equals to b square equals to c cube equals to d power 4, then what is the value of log abcd base a? It's very simple. A is equals to b square is equals to c cube is equals to d4. So what I will do? A, I will take it as A only. Then what about B, C and D values? a is equals to b square, then b will be a power 1 by 2. A is equals to c cube, then c will be equals to a power 1 by 3. A is equals to d power 4, then d is equals to a power 1 by 4. Now here he gave log ABCD. So log ABCD with base A, which is equals to log A is as usual A into B is nothing but a power 1 by 2 into C is nothing but a power 1 by 3 into D is nothing but a power 1 by 4 with the base A. Here only A means a power 1. Now a power 1 into a power 1 by 2 into a power 1 by 3 into a power 1 by 4. All the four bases are same. If the bases are equal, then the powers should be added. Then we will get log a power 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 with base A. Now this total top number will come to the front side, that as 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 times log A base A. We already know the value of log A base A, it is 1. So the final answer is 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Option C is correct one. The question is, if log A base 10 is equals to P and log B base 10 is equals to Q, then what is the value of log A power P and B power Q with base 10? Here he gave log A power P, B power Q with base 10. So we know one formula already. Log xy is equals to log x plus log y. Log xy is equals to log x plus log y. The same way here, log A power P, B power Q base 10 is equals to log A power P base 10 plus log B power Q base 10. Here simply multiplication is there, we will write it as addition. Now the powers will go to the front. So here P into log A base 10 plus Q into log B base 10. Next, we know the value of log A base 10 is P. So in the place of log A base 10, I will substitute P. Then log B base 10 is nothing but Q. So in the place of log B base 10, I will substitute Q. So we will get here P into P plus Q into Q. P into P is nothing but P square plus Q into Q is nothing but Q square. So the final answer is P square plus Q square. So option D is correct one. Here question number 24. Log x square minus 6x plus 6 is equals to 0. If you observe this clearly, this is a quadratic polynomial or simply polynomial. Polynomial he is assigning with logarithm. Connective type of questions. Logarithm he is connecting to quadratic or else polynomial. So first what we need to do is, it is in the logarithmic form, we need to convert that to exponential form. Here log x square minus 6x plus 6, base is not given. If base is not given, always the base is 10. So now x square minus 6x plus 6 is there, write it as it is equals to, here 10 is the base, same base take it as the base towards the right side also, 10 power 0. Here base 10, here also base 10. Okay, now x square minus 6x plus 6 is equals to 10 power 0. Any number power 0 is 1 always. Now 1 we will bring to the left side. x square minus 6x plus 6 plus 1 will become minus 1, which is equals to 0. So x square minus 6x plus 1 plus 6 minus 1, 6 minus 1 is 5, is equals to 0. So now we got a quadratic equation. By splitting the middle term into two terms, we need to find the x values. X square, here first term x square as it is, minus 6x can be written as minus 5x minus x plus 5 as it is equals to 0. Here simply minus 6x is the middle term. I am writing that as minus 5x minus x, because minus 5x minus x is as usual minus 6x again. So now from the first and second terms I am taking x common, so we remains with x minus 5. From third and fourth terms I am taking minus 1 common, so we remains with x minus 5 is equals to 0. Here x minus 5 is there, so write it once into here x, here minus 1 is equals to 0. So here minus 5 is there, so plus 5 is the x value. Here minus 1 is there, so plus 1 is the x value. So x values are 5 and 1. So if we substitute 5 also, it will satisfy. If we substitute 1 also, it will satisfy. Okay, let's move to next question then. Value of log 1 by 125 base 5. Log 1 by 125 base 5 is there. Log 1 by 125, which is in the form of a reciprocal. So if we make it correct, 125 power minus 1 with the base 5. Log 125, do prime factorization. 525s are 5 5s are, so 1 2 3, 5 power 3. 125 is nothing but 5 power 3. Here already power minus 1 is there, so power minus 1 with base 5. Now log 5 power, here 2 powers are there, so multiply 3 into minus 1 minus 3 with base 5. Now as usual that power minus 3 will go to the front, so we will get minus 3 times log 5 base 5. Log 5 base 5 value is 1, so the final answer is minus 3. Value of log 1 by 125 with base 5 is minus 3. Next question number 26. If log 4 base x is equals to 1 by 4, then find the x value. Here also same again, the given question is in logarithmic form. We need to convert that to exponential form. So write 4 as it is. X is the base, so take it as the base only, is equals to x power 1 by 4. Here power 1 by 4 is there, so to remove that power 1 by 4, both the sides I will write power 4. So then here 4 cancel. 4 power 4, 256 is equals to x. So the value of x is 256. Next question number 27 is one of the easy questions. Log 2 plus log 5. It is in the form of log a plus log b. Log a plus log b is nothing but log a into b. So the same way log 2 plus log 5 is nothing but log 2 into 5, which is equals to log 10. As I said in the previous question, if nothing base is there means always the base will be 10. Log 10 base 10 value is 1. So the value of log 2 plus log 5 is 1. Two power 2 plus log 3 base 2. If we observe the question clearly, it is in the form of a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. Now the given question is in the form of a power m plus n, where m is 2 and n is log 3 base 2. So now from this side to this side we need to bring. The given question is in the form of a power m plus n. We need to bring it back to a power m into a power n. So here a is nothing but 2. So 2 power m is nothing but 2 again, into a power n. A is nothing but 2, n is nothing but log 3 base 2. So power log 3 base 2. 2 power 2 is 4 into 2 power log 3 base 2. If these two numbers are same, then this will be the answer 3. 4 3s are 12. This is also one of the formulas which we have in logarithms. Next, log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. We know we need to revise 3 formulas here. The first formula is log a power m, and second formula is log a plus log b, and next one is log a minus log b. This will come to the front. If it is already in the front, it will go as the power. Plus will become multiplication, minus will become division. Okay, let's move to our question then. Log 10 as it is, plus. Now this number is in the front side, so I will take it as the power based on the first formula. So log 3 square minus log 2 as it is. Log 10 plus log 3 square is 9 minus log 2. Now these two terms are having plus, so log a plus log b. If plus is there means we need to do multiplication. So log 10 into 9, 90 minus log 2. Now here these two terms are having minus, so log a minus log b. If minus is there means we need to do division. So log 90 by 2. Log 90 by 2. If you do cancellation, 2 1s are 2, 45s are. So log 45. So the final answer is log 45. Question number 30. Log 2 is rational, irrational, integer, or none of the above. So first what I will do, log 2, I'll make it equals to some constant x. Already we know the logic, if base is not there means always the base will be 10. Now the given question is in logarithmic form, so I will convert that to exponential form. So write 2 as it is. This is base, so take it as the base only again, 10 power x. Okay, now let us check then. 10 power 0 I am keeping, 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3 and so on. In the place of x simply I am keeping 1 sub numbers. 10 power 0 is 1, 10 power 1 is 10, 10 power 2 is 100, 10 power 3 is 1000. Then I will keep some negative numbers also. 10 power minus 1 is nothing but 1 by 10. 10 power minus 2 is nothing but 1 by 100. So 10 power minus 3 is nothing but 1 by 1000. So there is no number which we need to substitute in the place of x. If we substitute that number in the place of x, we will get the answer 2. So there is no number like that. That's why it is irrational. It means some number is there in the place of x which lies between this 0 and 1, because 2 is the value which lies between 1 and 10. So x should lies definitely 0 to 1. But we can't say what is that number exactly. It is an irrational number. Neither terminating nor repeating type of decimal will be there in the place of x. Then only that answer will be 2. So that's why log 2 is an irrational number. So option B is correct one. Till now, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.